So one thing we're going to create in this art history course is our own art history portfolio. And my goal for us is to have a place to be creative, to not just answer multiple choice questions, but for us to either create artwork that reflects on an art history period, or us to bring together different artwork in an original way. So to do that, we're going to create a digital portfolio, and we're going to do that in Google Sites. So here I am on my computer. I'm logged into my school email. I go over to the page, and I'm going to go to the upper right corner. Up there, there's a Gmail, images, and then there's this thing. It's often called the waffle, and it's 9 dots. We're going to click on that, and there's all these icons for programs that we can use. Now, we're going to go and try to find Google Sites. It's this blue rectangle. Yours might be in a different location. And the reason for that is you're allowed to move these around. So here I am. I'm going to click on Google Sites. And I'm going to create a new site. It's funny because I feel like I'm almost done. Now, first step, here's my blank site. I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to go to the upper left corner, and I'm going to give it a title like Doyle's Art History Portfolio. So now it has a name. Now, we're in the design phase, so here's my page, and then here on the right, these are my menus to design the page. And there's actually 3 menus. If you look up here, there's Insert. That's the menu I'm on. There's Pages. I'm going to click on that. That's where I can add pages. And then there's Themes. That's where I can change the look of my page. So we're going to start with Insert. So I'm going to go back, highlight Insert, click there, and this is where I can now edit things. So let's go over to my page. Maybe I'll click here, and I'm going to give it a title. So similar to my name for the page, Mr. Doyle's Art History Portfolio. And I want to start personalizing it. So I'm on the Insert menu, and I could insert a text box, insert an image. What's nice is Google's actually created some sort of pre-designs that we can use. These are called content blocks. This one is an image and a text box. And I think I'd like to use that. So I'm going to click and hold. I'm holding on this, and I can drag it right over to my page. And now my page is ready for me to add a photo and some text. And on your front page, I would like you to introduce yourself. So perhaps I'll give myself my artist statement. And then I want to type a statement. And since I knew I was doing this demo, I have pre-typed one. And since this is my art history page, I'm going to use my more formal bio. It talks a little bit about my museum experience. There we go. So I've got my banner started, my statement, and now I'd like you to add a picture. And I know this sounds horrible. I don't really have any pictures of myself. So you will put in a photograph of yourself. I will put in a Bitmoji of me. Oh, shoot. It's making me do this. So I'll put in this image just to hold a space. And so this would be a start. You'd have your banner, a picture of you, an artist statement, and that'll be your homepage. Now we want to actually start on our Egypt project. So that will be in our next video.